ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ। ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। So today we will learn the theme of here. Yesterday or previously in our previous class we learned the pronunciation of swaras or the pronunciation of vowels. So first we will repeat again. You chant with me, muting your phone, and because this is very important. So what we learned, a, there is no a, this is a, e, u, r, e, I, o, au. As much as I am prolonging, जैसे मैं बढ़ा रहा हूं ऐसे ही तरीका से, मतलब मैं बोल रहा हूं ए, आप ये नहीं बोलिए कि ए, because it yes signify करता है the length of the vowel. So once again please, a, e, u, r, e, I, o, au. So I hope you have remembered, or just now you just see your notebook and we can remember. Now the significance of that lines, something it is down, sometimes it is up. What is it? So Sanskrit chanting is divided into 3 steps of this Vedic chanting. When there is nothing else, no lines above or below, when the normal just words are there, this is called udatta. This is called udatta. When you will find the line below the letters, this is called anudatta. 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 So anat pratyay yoge matlab na udatta. Anudatta. And when sometimes you will find this sort of lines above any letter, this is called swarita. Swarita. This is called swarita. So what is the significance of those lines? So in the normal pitch, when we talk to each other, this is called udatta. Like Om. Here it is starting with Om. Then when this line will be below any letter, then I have to, or we have to pitch down our voice. That is why Om, Saha, Saha. So this is, I'm downing, Sa. Then it is Udatta, the normal pitch. Saha, Saha. Then when the line is above any letter, this is called Swarita. On that time, I have to scale up my voice. So how it will be? Om Sahana Sahana Vavatu. Vavatu is in the normal pitch, in the pitch we talk. So I think it is clear to you, when there will be line below, we have to scale down our voice. When there is line on the top of any letter, we have to scale up our voice. And when there will be nothing else like Vavatu, it will be in a normal plane, normal voice. Okay? So can we start? Om Sahana Vavatu. I hope you have either collected this book from the mission, or you can get Mantra Pushpam of Ramakrishna Mission publication, Ramakrishna Mission Mumbai Khar. It is big book, or one small pocket size book is available. If anyone wants to purchase this book through online, it is available, I know. Or very convenient is to come to the mission or send someone else to the mission to purchase this book, Sacred Hymns or Chinmaya Hymns. This is the name of this book. So we will follow this book first. We will follow this book first. There are a lot of mantras. First we will cover, and if by the grace of God and Gurudev, by the grace of God or Gurudev, if we can finish this, we will switch over to Mantra Pushpa. So let us start. Yes. So can we start? Om Sahana Vavatu. You can use your finger or hand at the time. Okay. It will be beneficial for you. First, you tune with these lines. It will be better for you. So, Om Sahana Vavatu. Om Sahana Vavatu. Once again. Om Sahana Vavatu. Sahana Vavatu. Then Sahanau Saha. Now here we have to pay attention in two places. One is now. Au. It is long vowel. And there is Sarita. Swarita means you have to scale up your voice. So, Sahanau Bhunaktu. The Bhunaktu, there is no line. So, it will be in the normal plane. Okay. Chanting will be better if you listen again and again and again and again and again. Then only you can cope up with that. For your convenience, I will suggest you go to the YouTube page, or you can share your other inmates also. Divakar Chaitanya, Diva Chaitanya, Divakar Chaitanya. Then, if you subscribe that YouTube page, and if you make notification all, then many a times you can listen that basics. It will help you. All our classes going on in the Chinmay Mission, Kolkata, it is getting uploaded then and there. So you can repeatedly listen to this. Without repeating listening and without repeating chanting, it is very difficult to cope up. So let's start again. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahanau Bhunaktu. Then again there is Anudatta in Sa. Saha Viryam Saha V, because V is again Anudatta. Vir. Then just after Anudatta there is Swarita. Viryam. So you have to give a jerk in your voice. Saha Viryam. Then see, there is no line. So it will be one plane. Karvavahai, Karvavahai. So, Saha, Saha, Viryam, Karvavahai, Saha, Viryam, Karvavahai. Is it clear? I hope so. Then you see Tejasvi Navadhi Tamastu. So here you have to pay again twice attention, double attention. Te, A is long vowel and there is Anudatta. After that, Ja means A. So A is short vowel. So there you no need to attention in long or short. It will be short. And there is Anudatta. But Svi is short vowel. E. E. So E is short vowel. Then Na. Swa, Na. So Na is long vowel and there is Anudatta. Then Va. Is short vowel. Then Dhi. E is long vowel. So, Tejasvinavadhe, Tejasvinavadhe, Tejasvinavadhe. Then tamas dhuma, tamas dhuma, tamas dhuma, tejasvi avadhe. Tejasvi avadhe, tejasvi avadhe, tamas dhuma. Then there is one Swarita. Vidvishavahai, Vidvishavahai. Then here you notice there is double. Here is also double. Here is also double. Here is also double. So, how it will be pronounced? Like Bahai, I. So, when there will be double line on any letter, then what about the letter is? The last vowel will be prolonged, like Vidvishavahai, E. Vidvishavahai, E. So I means there is E afterwards. That E will be prolonged. Okay. Tejasvinavadhe tamas dhuma vidvishavahai e. Tejasvinavadhe tamas dhuma vidvishavahai e. It is not at all difficult. Today is the first class of these things. That is why you feel it is difficult. It is the most easiest thing. Because from next day onward, we are not going to use this board. We will just take this book and we will start chanting. And if you listen more and more time, it is graspable very easily. I assure you. Once I was very dull, more than you, regarding this chanting, not in other factors. I did not know anything else about it. But constant, repeatedly listening and listening and listening made me stand over here and to teach you. I want to see that you spread this teaching. So before that, learn very nicely, and it is very, very easy. Just 3-4 things you have to memorize. And if you listen repeatedly, no need to memorize also. It will come automatically without any effort, without any consciousness. So just the only one method is repeated listening, repeated listening. So once again, we will do it 5-6 times. Om Sahanavavatu. Please chant, but muting the phone by your own. Om सहनाववतु ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधे तमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै तमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै once again ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधे तमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै once again Om, please repeat after me twice. Okay? I will also chant. So I have to chant thrice. You have to listen once and chant twice. Om Sahanavavatu. Om Sahanavavatu. Om Sahanavavatu. Sahanau bhunaktu. Sahanau bhunaktu. Sahanau bhunaktu. Sahaviryam karavavahai. Sahaviryam karavavahai. Sahaviryam karavavahai. Tejasvinavadhe. 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 Tamastu ma vitvishavahay. Tamastu ma vitvishavahay. Tamastu ma vitvishavahay. So we have noticed that here I am just giving jerk in my voice, where the swarika, the vertical line, लंबा line जब है कई अक्षर के ऊपर, उधर हमारा वॉइस को थोड़ा जार्क देना पड़ेगा. So once again, please. Om Sahanavavatu. Om Sahanavavatu. Om Sahanavavatu. Sahanau bhunaktu. Sahanau bhunaktu. Sahanau bhunaktu. Sahaviryam करवावहै सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधे तमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै तमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. When we will learn, I hope in next class I can be able to hear from you all in this manner. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahai Tejasvinavadhet Tamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Then it comes Shanti 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 Hari Om. So it is not written over here. So Ti will be down. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Why he we are telling? Two things I just want to tell you, and I am going to repeat you in almost many classes. When Visarga will be there after any letter, the Visarga's pronunciation will be like ha. And not only ha, if it is after ukara, u, then it will be hu. If it is after akara, there will be ha. If it is after ekara, it will be he. If it is after ukara, it is be hu. So, like guruhu, after guru, guruhu Brahma, guruhu Vishnu. There are a lot of things to say, but slowly we will progress. I always take little more time when we start, because basics should be clear and profound. Then we can chant any sorts of chanting while we will see. So once again we will chant it and we will finish our class. And another thing, all of you are attached with any number of study group, and maximum study group starts with Sahana Vavatu chanting. So when you are learning, please try to chant Sahana Vavatu. Try to chant in a correct form. If Vedic chanting is not chanted correctly according to the Vedic intonation provided by Veda, there is no use of chanting of those mantras, and it's a committing sin. So the thing is, once again, we will chant and we will finish the class. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahai Tejasvinavadhe Tamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. I hope you are enjoying the class. We will enjoy more when we will be pakka in all those Swarita, Udatta and Anudatta issues and Swaras. But I'm telling, it's very, very easy. You are listening, some people are there who are listening this manner first time. Ask other fellows who are listening, who attended many classes here, the Vedic chanting, how easy they are. I can see many faces over here who used to attend the Vedic chanting class. Here, ask them how easy it is. So, whenever we will learn it repeatedly, we will listen to it repeatedly, it is very easy to grasp. Pray to Gurudev that we overcome all hurdles and learn the art of Vedic chanting. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om.